Hey everybody, in this video we have two word problems. The formula A equals 1/2 times B times H represents the area of a triangle, where A represents the area, B is the base of the triangle, and H is the height of the triangle. Solve this formula for B. So we need to isolate B. Let me rewrite this again. So area is 1/2 times base times height, and I need to isolate B. I am looking for B here. Okay, step one, we should multiply both sides by 2. If you do that, you can get rid of this half, right? So we have 2A equals BH. Remember, we are trying to solve for B. I have problems with H here, so you need to divide both sides by H because multiplication is here. Inverse operation of multiplication is division. So after you cancel out these, my answer is this: B is 2 times A divided by H. Next word problem. Megan bought 7 charms for $31.50. So $31.50. This is actually for 7 of them. To find the unit price, I need to divide this by 7. Okay. Each charm costs the same amount of money. And write an inequality that can be used to find the maximum amount of charms. C, it's defined right here. I cannot use X. Megan can buy with $75. All right. So this is the unit price, $31.50 divided by 7. And remember, you need to multiply this by C because Megan is going to buy C charms. And remember, she has only $75, so she cannot spend more than $75. She can spend at most $75. So this quantity must be less than or equal to $75. So this is my inequality that models this real world problem. Second question, what is the maximum amount of charms Megan can buy with $75? In other words, let's solve this inequality and then think again. $31.50 divided by 7 times C less than or equal to $75. And let's use my calculator. 31.50 divided by 7. This is $4.50. This is the unit price, guys. Times C less than or equal to $75. It is time to divide both sides by 450. If you do that, you don't need to flip the sign because you're dividing both sides by a positive number, not a negative number. C is alone. C is less than or equal to, let me use my calculator, 75 divided by 4.50 is 16.6 repeating. All right. So C is a number which is less than or equal to 16.6. In other words, guys, this is your number line. 16 is right here, 17 is there, and your lovely number 16.6 is somewhere here. 16.6 repeating is somewhere here. And your solution set is actually less than or equal to this number. You can go all the way down to smaller numbers. So C is actually maximum can be 16. Yes, you can be, it can be maybe 15, 14, whatever, but C has the maximum value here. When it is 16. So let me write down the answer. What is the maximum amount of charms Megan can buy? So the answer is 16 charms.